Hope you guys had a great weekend. In this video, let's talk about TradeDesk, an amazing setup with amazing risk to reward here. Okay, the technical analysis looks absolutely beautiful and absolutely amazing while earnings are growing. So we have a lot to talk about in this video. Before we get into the stock, I want to talk about Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat is up 11% overnight. We made a video on it, and then on the Discord we sent out a buy alert. So join the Discord, link in the description for live buy and sell alerts. We closed half of our position here for Snapchat 100%. Tomorrow it's going to be like 150% gain or even 200% gains, and the call options were dirt cheap. Okay, $59 shares. We're not going to be selling our shares anytime soon. We can easily expect a 100% gain on those shares. We literally bought the bottom for those shares. So if you haven't been in the Discord, make sure to join here. Live buy and sell alerts. Now let's talk about the TradeDesk setup. Absolutely amazing setup here. Okay, we can start off with the technical analysis here. But before I get into the technical analysis, I wanted to take a look at the earnings. So it is a technology company here, and I'm honestly not too much aware of what TradeDesk does. But here, if we take a look at their earnings, okay, they're doing absolutely amazing. Year over year, we are seeing really good growth. Okay, 2 billion in revenue, 2024, 1.95 2023, 1.58. So we can see year to year growth. Not just revenue, we can see the net income over here. Net income. So these are profitable. This is a profitable company that is growing year to year, while the stock price is trading at 2020 levels. Okay, so the stock price is trading at 2020 levels when the earnings are way better. So this is going to be a huge discount for this stock buying this cheap at this level. We have this level of support. This is pretty much the lowest it has ever been for the past 5 years. Okay, this is going to be the biggest discount that you can get for this stock. We can also take a look at the RSI. The RSI is at the lowest it has ever been. Okay, this is really one of the only few times that it hit this level of RSI. So an amazing discount here for the RSI, especially for the technical analysis. This is going to be the perfect entry. Things get even better on the daily time frame. Okay, the daily time frame looks absolutely amazing. We're literally right on this level of support. Last chance to buy this stock at this cheap level. Here we have this gap to the upside, similar to something like Snapchat. If we take a look at the RSI, the lowest it has ever been on the daily time frame. Here we can take a look at, we can expect easily 20% gain. First price target is going to be this gap entry. That's around a 28% for shares alone. So with shares, you can really sleep really comfortably holding shares. With options, we can trade sideways and just not do anything, and we can get killed off the theta on those contracts. So TradeDesk looks really good for shares here. Now, this is going to be our first price target gap entry. What I want to talk about is, this really reminds me of something like Disney. Okay, Disney, we made many videos on Disney, but this is a very similar setup to something like Disney, where we had a previous level of support and we have bounced off of that level of support. So it really reminds me of Disney. The past recent plays, I remember CNC, ticker symbol CNC. This was on our newsletter and one of our videos. This was a 40% small mover like that from the support. So I'm expecting a move like this for TradeDesk very soon. The next 2 months, we can easily see 30-40%. IT, ticker symbol IT. This was also on our email newsletter. If we take a look here at this level of support, that was a 12% move from this level of support. So very conservative. Same situation going on with this gap. Okay, so gap acting as a level of price target, first level of price target, and then us going in, entering that gap and filling that gap. and that was very, very similar to something like Snapchat also. So all very, very similar setups. You guys are seeing the pattern here, and we could see that TradeDesk is looking just like that. So this gap is going to act as our price target, just like it did for CNC, for ticker symbol IT. So all these are very, very similar plays. So TradeDesk, this is what we are taking a look at, first price target, and we can definitely see, potentially fill this gap here in the next couple months. In a year, we can easily see 104% for the stock. And our stop loss for the stock is going to be closed below $41. So we can expect a 10% stop loss. So we're risking 10% to make easily 30%. So 1, 2, 3 risk reward. And it just looks absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and make sure to join the Discord if you have not already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the Discord. Bye.